How to fix Twitter app not working problem. So hello friends, once again welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips. So friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix Twitter app uh, Twitter app not working problem. So you just need to watch this video till the end to know how to fix with this problem. So without spending much time, let's get started. So friends, we usually face this problem. You usually face this problem, um, Twitter app not working problem. We usually face this problem because of storage issue, your device storage issue. So if you are facing this problem because of your storage, you just need to uh, delete some files or videos or images to make your storage free from your device. We usually face this problem because of storage problem. And second thing, go to Play Store and then on the search bar just type Twitter and then check out whether your Twitter application is asking for update or not. If it is asking for update, please update the Twitter application. So friends, you can see even I have to update the Twitter application, and I'll update it right now. So friends, you just need to update the Twitter application, and then even after updating you are still facing the same problem, then the last and final option will be go to settings, scroll down and then go to apps, go to manage apps, and then scroll down and then search for Twitter here. So friends, here is it, Twitter, and then tap here. So friends, you simply need to clear data of the Twitter application. You simply need to clear all data and then your problem will be fixed. After clearing data, remember that after clearing data your Twitter account will be locked out, so you just need to re-login with your Twitter account, and then your problem will be fixed. So friends, that's it. Thanks for watching this video.